Hi, friends. A very good evening. Wishing you all a very happy 74th Independence Day. I'm just going to take 1 minute here to add my title and pin a message before I start today's very interesting episode. Hi! So, all you beautiful people, wishing you all a very happy Independence Day. स्वतंत्रता दिवस की आप सभी को बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं. माय नेम इज दृष्टि एंड आई वेलकम यू ऑल टू अ विजन इन वॉइसेस एपिसोड नंबर 6 एवरी पॉ मैटर्स. As you can see, I am mesmerized today. I have a very special reason and a topic to address today. Before that, I think I should say a quick hello to everybody who's joined in. Sapna Vora, Sibel, Madhurane, Leo Living Like Legend. That's Dr. Mahalakshmi. Madhurane, happy Independence Day. Wishing you all a very, very happy Independence Day. Well, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, I'm going to put a request today to the guest who's going to arrive with us very, very soon. I'm going to add her just in a couple of minutes, but before that, I would like to quote that Mahatma Gandhi once quoted that the greatness of a nation can be, and its moral progress can be judged by the way its animals are treated. Today, as the nation celebrates 74th Independence Day, I think this topic, which is very close to my heart because of a recent life-changing experience that I've had, and my today's guest is also a veteran who is working as a film and television actress, as you have read it, Jaya Bhattacharya. We love her on our television and movie screens. We have enjoyed the craft of her work in various ways, but one more reason, उनकी एक और पर्सनालिटी से आज हम मिलने जा रहे हैं. शी इज एन एनिमल लवर एंड अ सोशल एक्टिविस्ट फॉर 20 years. तो ये एक्टिंग एंड एनिमल लविंग का सिलसिला एक साथ पैरेलल लाइन में उनका चलता आ रहा है. आई एम गोइंग टू टेक हर हियर ऑन लाइव, waiting for a quick 1 minute as she joins here. By the time, wishing everybody a very happy Independence Day once again. जया जी आ गए हमारे साथ. हेलो.
Happy Independence Day to you.
Yes, to me and to all the viewers.
Yeah, but I have a little different view on that.
Okay.
Happy Independence Day, but is it really happy?
Yeah.
Because in fact, I went live on Facebook and
Yes.
I spoke my heart out because I have this problem with the people of my country, where we only celebrate these 2 days, Independence Day and Republic Day, and then we forget about the country. We do nothing. We do not endeavor in any which form to better anything in any way.
Hi
So,
there.
That's not Anki. Not Anki
Not
was
me.
yeah.
Yeah.
I have a problem with that. I have a problem. Thankfully, a lot of hue and cry brought a stop to, those songs from films in which only dances are happening.
Right.
क्या बोलते हैं उनको? Dance numbers. Otherwise, 2-3 patriotic songs used to be played, and then everybody used to go hinchak, and it used to really. I mean, I used to be like stupefied as to what is happening, man. And in the recent past, having seen a lot about life in this particular COVID situation, and coming face to face with a lot of issues that fellow humans face.
Absolutely.
And they are saying, I would love my fellow human beings to just come in, get sensitized about, be selfish. Yeah, I say be selfish. Like, what do I do these animal works for? Because I feel happy.
Right.
I don't want a lot of people say, भगवान आपको सुखी रखेगा, भगवान आपको बहुत कुछ देगा. भाई मैंने भगवान भगवान, I mean, I haven't seen the gods and goddesses. I am not expecting anything from anybody by doing whatever I do. Then this give and take. There will be a barter system. Na? I am working, I am helping out animals because I want something. No, that's not it.
Yeah.
I am selfish to the point that it gives me happiness. It gives me solace. It fills me with joy. It fills me with peace. It fills me with strength that yes, I can.
Absolutely.
That is the only reason I am doing it for myself, not to receive anything from anybody on this universe or beyond it, mind you. And yes, it gives a lot of happiness, solace to these animals who receive it. They don't sleep hungry at least. That much effort I do. So I do it. So I request every Indian citizen, for heaven's sake, become selfish and change the world, change your country, change the ways of the country, change your personal ways. Somewhere, somehow, a little bit, a little effort goes a long way. So do it so that your and my country can benefit from it.
Absolutely. Jaya ji,
And when you have children and you give the country to, when you perish, leaving the country in your children's hand or the children in the country's hand, just like Mahatma Gandhi, as you quoted, and all our national leaders, so many of them strive to get us our freedom, that we can live in a democratic country. Same way, your children you can at least die happy and peacefully. Okay, my children are safe.
Awesome. Jaya ji, let me tell you, you have been an inspiration. 20 years of your journey, more than that, in fact, because I spoke to you about my own experience, a life-changing one in the quarantine situation where I fostered the cat and its kitten who had bad eye infection, and I lost one kitten on the last 11th of July. And at that time and before that, I had come very, very near to the healthcare workers, the vet doctors, and the hardships that they go through. I have seen that very, very nearly, and I would like you to address that in the later section. But before that, thank you so much for gracefully accepting this request of coming online to do a Vision in Voice segment, Every Paw Matters. बट एडिशनली समथिंग, जब मैंने आपको कांटेक्ट किया था और हमारी पहली बार बात हुई थी, मैंने जस्ट आपको सजेस्ट किया था कि हाउ अबाउट 15th August, यू नो, एंड द रिएक्शन दैट यू हैड वाज ओ माय गॉड. सो आई फाउंड अ कार्मिक कनेक्शन समवेयर डाउन द लाइन. आपकी प्यारी बेगम की भी आज डेथ एनिवर्सरी है. सो आई थिंक एवरीथिंग वाज कनेक्टेड. My whole experience connecting with you and setting on 15th August is all a karmic connection. What is your take on that?
When Begum expired on 15th of August, I was shattered, literally shattered, because Begum was the heart of the family. Before that, I had picked up a indie dog from the streets who died in 12 days. And the funniest part was that when I picked the child up on a rainy night, me and my ex-boyfriend, we didn't even know whether the child was a male or a female. We were so dumb.
Yeah.
And, I was like, ye ladka hai, ladki hai. My ex-boyfriend said, ye ladka hai. And we named her Pirate. Then we get to know after 7 days, ki, hello, excuse me, it's a girl.
Right.
She expired in 12 days.
Okay.
That is when I first met a vet.
Okay.
And my experience of her death is very crucial, because when the last day it was like water till the knees. It was raining very heavily, and we were running to the doctor's home because he was not coming to the place where he used to bring his van. That was the only doctor he knew at that time. He used to come in a van and stand at the circle of Lokhandwala in the evenings and he was not able to. He was not coming in. So we went to his area, and he said, "Come, I'll attend to the dog there."
Okay.
A pirate was in my arms, and there was a gentleman who had brought in a breed child,
Okay.
and
Okay.
he talking to the doctor कि ये मैं exact words ये
हाँ.
मैं धर्मेंद्र के बच्चे का बच्चा लेके आया हूँ
Okay.
as an actor, senior actor, great
Yeah.
actor. धर्मेंद्र जी के कुत्ते का बच्चा लेकर आया हूँ मैं, तो मैं इसे रखूं या नहीं रखूं?
What question is that?
Exactly. I was like, and I was very new to it. I was like, what crap is this man talking? जब लेके आया है तो रखेगा ना. And in that time period where he was unnecessarily, my pirate died in my
Okay.
arms.
Oh my God.
And believe me, the look I saw in pirate's eyes, that all-encompassing look where somebody is just grasping everything in for the last time before leaving. That was the look. And when I saw Begum's, I saw the same look in Begum's eyes before she passed away, some 3 days before she passed away. And I told everybody at home, Begum जा रही है. And everybody was like, नहीं नहीं ऐसा कुछ नहीं. हमने कहा नहीं वो जा रही है. She was looking at the house, the walls and everything in a certain way that told me ki yes, it's time.
I had something very similar that happened the same night before the kitten Mia passed away. So she was looking at me, she would lick me so much, you know, and all the love and attention that she was giving me. And I actually asked her, are you all right? Is there something that I can still do for you? Because she was on the verge, she was healing after the enucleation, her eye removal surgery. And she was healing so well that we were prepped that अभी और 2-3 दिन 10-15 दिन से घर पे है, कुछ दिनों में रख के हम वापस उनकी ममा को उसके सिबलिंग के पास in the premises we can leave her open and stuff like that. But it was very strange. He passed away out of it Caesar the same 2 a.m. in the midnight. So yeah, I mean the thing that you just mentioned कि आपको कहीं ना कहीं पता चल जाता है वो जो vibes है या उनके behavioral traits है उससे definitely yeah. Please continue.
Yes.
Yes.
And obviously that kitten came to you for a reason.
Yes, it is. बिल्कुल. And Jaya
to
ji,
sensitize you towards these animals, to bring out that understanding maybe, you know.
yes,
And
yes.
I'm so glad for her contribution to your life. In fact, Akshita Padgaonkar is right here, and she was
Akshita,
telling about, hi,
Yes.
say hi.
Hi, Akshita.
Hi.
All right. So Akshita is also one of the activists. She's so young. She's like a young achiever. अगर एक्सपीरियंस की बात करें तो अभी अभी ये लाइन में आई है, लेकिन कहाँ जाए तो गोरेगांव हमारा एरिया है. एंड गोरेगांव में अक्षता पडगांवकर का नाम लो या कहीं कुछ मदद की जरूरत हो एनिमल वेलफेयर को लेकर. सो इवन आफ्टर नोइंग यू अक्षता, आई हैव हर्ड फ्रॉम मेनी ऑफ माय फ्रेंड्स एंड कलीग्स that who's helping you, I mean, who did you approach to finally and things like that. So जैसे ही आपका नाम आया, people knew you for the lovely work that you are doing. That's your contribution.
Yes.
And it's
And she's only
amazing.
19. Long way to go, dude. Long way to go.
Long way to go. Absolutely, absolutely. Yes.
Yeah, okay. Somebody is asking,
Hmm.
please someone, Astana Rahim is asking, tell me what is the meaning of 15th August for the Indians? Okay. Astana, it is our Independence Day. Today is the day when India got her independence legally, and we were free of the British rule.
Yes.
No, this girl is not my daughter. Yeah, I haven't born any human children. I have only animal children. I haven't burdened the earth with any human children.
She is like
Jaya
my
is-
mother. You know, anytime कुछ भी problem हो या मतलब animals related or anything, I keep on asking her, आंटी क्या करना है, कैसे करना है. She's my support.
Grateful. Thank you so
So
much.
under
That's very
her guidance, many young people are coming together, and the collective measure of
I'm
everybody.
so glad. I'm so glad. There's been so many people on Instagram who have been writing to me and sending me messages and sending me photographs and videos of how they have been inspired and they are contributing in small, small ways. It's so,
Absolutely. It's
I feel
heartening.
that, yes, I feel that whatever little I am doing, I am on the right path and I'm so glad I'm leaving some kind of an impression on this world. That
Sure,
is on this earth helping me so much.
And for beginners like us who are having the first hand experience into having strays or petting an animal or taking care of them, fostering them, however, जहाँ हम कहीं अटक जा रहे हैं वहाँ आप जैसों का साथ मिल रहा है. So it's like that relay कि यहाँ इतना पार्ट मैंने करा जो मेरी कैपेबिलिटी थी, मेरी बेस्ट ऑफ एबिलिटीज का मैंने कहा, यहाँ कहीं मैं अटक रही हूँ तो people like you are coming forward and especially when not to address you as a celebrity, but people with great personalities, when they speak volume for words, influence people.
Those who are ready to share whatever we can. Okay, she is going to sit.
Yes.
हम लोग
Yeah.
ऐसे-
नहीं, you guys.
Yes, I'll see you in a bit.
Yes, I am always ready. Like I have been, whenever I have had an issue, I have called up my seniors, as in not just in age, but in experience. No
Right.
matter what time it is, right? And they have guided me in regards to medicines. Also, I've called up vets at night at 2 o'clock,
Yeah.
2 a.m.
Yeah.
also, and they have told me what to do. And I have, together we have been able to help so many animals. Yeah,
Right.
I feel so great about it. 1 second, Omi is looking at me.
Okay.
Okay, yes,
Hey, Umi ki jhalak
yes,
is busy there down.
Amma.
Hey.
इसकी तो आदत है. तो
Hi, Bachu. Hello. Oh, so cute.
this is Omi.
Omi,
And,
hi, Omi.
adopted him this year itself.
Okay.
Somebody had abandoned him and his partner. The partner has no more, but Omi is with me.
राइट.
Yeah.
जया जी, आपने कुछ काउंट रखा है टिल डेट? कितने आपके घर पे फॉस्टर्ड हुए हैं, अडॉप्ट हुए हैं, आपके साथ रह रहे हैं?
फॉस्टर का तो याद नहीं है मुझे. अडॉप्ट तो मैंने बेगम पहले पायरेट थी, देन बेगम आई, देन डेविल मैंने अडॉप्ट किया. ही वाज आल्सो जर्मन शेपर्ड. आई हैड 4 जर्मन शेपर्ड एट होम
Okay.
at one time. Then Janeman, Barood were born at home. And
Wow, what names.
then Bitya we found at a resort. She was a Lhasa Apso and she expired on the 29th of August last year. Then Notanki you've seen. Then Jagu, Jack Jagu Dada came to me on the 7th of September.
Mhm.
And yeah, he is blind. He's got only 10% vision in his right eye. Right
Okay.
there.
Left.
Left eye. Yeah. And then I have Khushal Singh. He's a Labrador.
Okay.
Mix. Yeah, lab mix. He's been there with me for the last 10 years. This is the 11th year. Yeah. So these are the babies that I have had. I had a bakri. I had a goat.
Wow.
Her name was Bambi. Then
Kai. You had Kai, which was a
Kai was-
unusual.
was our rescue who was with us for 2 days.
Yes, could you tell our audience something about Kai? What was the unusual? Every paw matters की बात कर रहे हैं. Not just the cats and dogs or the goats and the sheep, but a crow. Jaya ji, this is very, when I looked at, because I was following you by then, and I was going through the trauma of passing away of Mia at the same time when the Kai episode was happening. So I could relate to you so much.
Yeah, Kai supposedly was hanging onto the tree. The nest had some barbed wire as well as plastic threads which had gotten stuck on Kai's this part, and
Okay.
it had gotten embedded into the skin, and
Hmm.
he supposedly was hanging by those threads from 11:30 in the morning is when somebody noticed him, basically, maybe earlier also. And Akshata was here, and I got a call, and we ran. That was 7:30 in the evening.
Okay. It was already dark.
Yes, it was already dark, and such a long time. So
Hmm.
many hours had passed by,
Yeah.
and it was a baby crow actually.
Okay. Okay.
And we ran. Saddam, Akshata, Dr. Mahalakshmi was there. She called Sonu. Saddam called his friend Umesh, and we all ran. And Sonu climbed the tree and got Kai down, and we got Kai home. Mahalakshmi treated the baby, ate some food, water. I was holding Kai very near to my chest because Kai was scared also as to what is happening in his life. His
Happening.
one hand was totally, stretched out. It was not moving only.
Right.
Then Kai slept also, and in the morning, the moment I tossed and turned in my bed slightly is when Kai called out.
Okay.
Ah,
Okay.
very a small voice, a child's voice,
Hmm.
and that will always remain with me. Yeah. And
Absolutely.
next morning, Kai was not there anymore.
Yeah. Yeah. I think all these little things and all the elements of life that one realizes through all these kind of experiences, sometimes it is very difficult because as activists, as healthcare workers, even our vets and the helpers and everybody out there, उनके दिन को अगर हम करीब से देखें तो we can, I have seen this personally and I would like to say that a day in their life is it's so traumatic. They have this emotional sentimental ups and downs going on throughout. एंड उसमें क्या कभी कभी होता है कि अगर आप वेट के पास हो, कुछ लोग अपने मैनर्स भूल जाते हैं, कुछ लोगों को एम्पैथी और हाउ टू बी एम्पैथेटिक टुवर्ड्स दीज पीपल, they the behavior traits that also that I have observed and haven't spoken to Mahalakshmi whom I've got very close to, उनकी लाइफ का जो स्ट्रेस जब वो हमसे शेयर करते हैं या वी फिगर आउट कि यार इनके लिए कितना मुश्किल होता होगा एंड हाउ एज इंडिविजुअल्स कैन वी थ्राइव और कैन at least be some kind of a support to them by behaving or acting a certain way.
See, a lot of people come who do not want to wait.
Right.
A lot of pet parents come who do not want to wait. They fail to, I mean, I have met so many people who are so breed conscious.
Yeah.
Like even in the clinic, they would not want their babies to interact with the indies.
That's crazy.
They're
Oh my
like,
god.
come here, come this side. Yeah, I've seen that, and it hurts.
Yeah.
I, being a senior person, I handle it because I don't care. So I just give them a dirty look.
Oh yeah.
It's like, where do you come from, man? You love a dog, you love all dogs, man. What is this?
Absolutely. Yeah,
What is
certainly.
this differentiation? My German Shepherds, I must tell you, my German Shepherds used to go for a walk. They had about 14 to 15 indie dogs who were their friends, who used to accompany them to the ground, play with them, and come back home.
Right.
We could not scold their friends. They used to get angry on us. They never used to speak to us if we scolded their friends for
Yeah.
anything they did wrong, maybe. And I had not a single issue that my German Shepherds will not associate with Indies.
I mean, as dogs or as animals, when they are bound with so much of love and respect to give away to their fellow mates, who as we as humans are even closer to discriminate amongst any of these.
See, we discriminate on every basis, don't we? Religion, caste,
Yes. Coming on to
male,
that.
female, young, old. The discrimination is everywhere. The conditioning is here. We just can't seem to stop anywhere. We humans just can't seem to stop anywhere. We can't seem to draw a line. Okay, bus, just let it be. Just be. Just live and let live. How beautiful is that? I mean, you live without any malice, any hatred. I mean, it's so much of energy you waste in doing all of this. Idhar aa jao, udhar mat jao. So much energy is wasted. If you just be and stay in allowance, life will be so much easier, so much fuller,
Yeah. Yeah.
you know, so much happier. So coming back to the clinic, mostly, we get so many accident cases, so many serious medical issues that the attention of the vet is required at an urgent basis,
Yeah.
or the child will die, right? The rescue will die, the animal will die.
Yeah.
But still, there are so many pet parents who are like, do not wish to wait, do not wish to be an allowance, to let the vet help the dying, the animal who requires immediate attention.
It's attention. Yeah.
And they can become ugly also. I had a recent case. Yeah. Sorry guys.
No problem. They have some input to share, Jayaji.
So the point is, and like there was a lady who was sitting for hours, whereas I was standing for all of those hours. I mean, there were two of them. One went inside to the table to get her child treated, and the other one would just not give space to sit. Whereas we had to, have maintain social distance. I'm talking about the first or second month of lockdown.
Yeah.
She got up and went to check what was happening, and then she came back and sat right next to me.
Okay.
I mean, I took that seat because I was tired standing, and she was almost touching and sitting. I was like, "Ma'am, social distancing. So you get up." I was like, "Excuse me," and I lost it. Had she not said that, I would have gotten up and given her the seat. But because she said that, and that too in a very brilliant tone, I said, "No, it is you who has to get up. Move now. I can be a bitch if I wish to." And
Yeah.
so it's better not to mess with me.
Right. So anywhere, if you see Jayaji and Jayaji's rescued babies around there, please do not, or this side that you just, but it's not to share out, but it's just requesting.
Yeah. I have all the empathy for you, your child, your pet, and you. But please understand the importance of the hour, the need of the hour.
Need of the hour. Yes. Accordingly. True, very true. Jayaji, in today's generation, especially the youngsters also and pet parents, जो भी हम consider करते हैं, आप ये in the welfare.
Sorry, this is my coffee time, so I've received my coffee.
Yes, please, absolutely. So I was trying to convey that in the 20+ years of your journey, what are the positive changes that you have witnessed? Because negatives तो हम हर जगह से उठा सकते हैं. Nobody really wants to talk about the positives, and that positive approach कि ठीक है इसमें से भी कुछ तो अच्छी चीज हो रही होगी. Let's talk about the positives today.
With the animals?
Yes, and the change that you've noticed over the years and आज की generation, and what has bettered according to you?
The thing is that so many people have become sensitized. The youngsters have become sensitized. I see so many more feeders today than there were earlier. I see so many more people even sharing the posts on social medias
Yes.
so that these animals can receive help somehow somewhere. It was not that earlier. Thank you to social media for doing that,
Yes,
for
absolutely.
spreading the awareness, for giving us the platform to spread the awareness. Because I have mostly been on social media only to sensitize people. You'll hardly find any personal post till and when it's an important occasion. I am not into that.
Yeah.
So I'm just glad that so many more people have understood. College students, they shared. I mean, during the lockdown, so many youngsters came ahead and contributed towards animal food. It's so beautiful.
Beautiful.
There was an RJ, a young girl, who shared my videos with her neighbors, and she told me my neighbors have put bowls of water for the animals. What more can I ask for? I always say that if you like animals, if you understand their plight, you cannot keep a pet or you cannot go out feeding them. Feeding is very necessary because just like we feel hungry, they also feel hungry, right?
Absolutely.
So it is important that they also get food, enough food and water. Okay, that is the
basic things. Yeah.
Of course, if possible, if you have the heart, if you can have the heart, if you can have the understanding, so please, in the rains, in the chilling cold weather, in the scorching heat, allow them to rest under your roof, in your buildings. Allow it. They don't spread any they don't spread coronavirus.
Yeah.
For sure.
Yes.
Or I would be long dead. Right? Yeah. Okay. They don't spread any diseases. And if you feel they are bringing in gandagi, dirty stuff, let them be there for that time duration. You have so much of phenyl, floor cleaners, pesticides. Just put that in water and wash the area. How much of a hardship is that? At least that's a little lesser hardship than what these homeless animals have to go through every day because of us insensitive people who beat them, kill them, brutalize them, torture them for no reason. If I've seen a lot of human beings, in fact, I slapped a human being because a dog was sleeping on the side of the road. I was in an auto that night, and this cycle guy was going, and deliberately he rode his cycle over the dog's paw. I chased him and I slapped him.
Right.
What are we doing? Just like, see, it's the same thing. It's the same psychological thing. Like if your boss calls you and you can't answer back, you come back home. You beat the shit out of your wife if you can. You beat the shit out of your children if you can. If not, you pick up a fight with your neighbors who are weaker than you.
Yes.
Always remember, these kind of people will always look for people weaker than themselves.
Weaker than them.
Or
Yes.
anybody who is weaker than them. What kind of a strength are you portraying by hurting those who are weaker than you? If
Right.
you are man enough, woman enough, human enough, on par with somebody your kind, no?
Jayaji, I also have an input to share on this relevant topic, is because I also experienced something, and I had something
One
also.
second, let me answer one thing, please,
Yes,
please.
yes, okay.
Neha Sinha 2804. Humans are the biggest curse, and it's just making the world dangerous for the innocent few furries. Darling, the more we say these negative things, I am a healer, and if you have read Secrets, that is the first time something, my the logics that I had, they matched anywhere. Like I never gossip. I never gossip. I will not listen to somebody talking bad about anybody. I will not. And if I have to, I will try to bring in positive inputs to create a positivity, to allow the person who is feeling all those negative emotions to let go of it, because it hurts. It is hurting that person who has all those negativity stored inside of them. It will one day create lots of dis-ease in their bodies. That is what disease is, basically. Okay?
Yeah.
All of those stored anger, hatred, disgust, all of those will create dis-ease in the body. Okay? So, and of course, manifestation.
Asking the
Every-
universe.
Yes, every time you say, think, feel negative about something, that is what you are attracting to yourself, dear. That is exactly what you are telling the universe is what you want, what you would love to have. So, instead of saying humans are the biggest curse, why don't we say ki, how lovely will it be if humans just changed for the better, to bring in positivity into this universe for all the animals, the plants, for fellow humans? Wouldn't it be so beautiful if there is, when there is positivity all around? That's what I would love to create.
Yes,
So-
Neha, I think.
Exactly.
Yeah.
My point
So-
of view.
Totally. And affirmations, another part, with manifestation, the clearer, the positive that you speak makes a much difference than your rather negative concerns. Of course, and I was coming back to the pattern that you mentioned.
Tell me your experience.
फूड में देखते हैं कि शायद पेरेंट्स एनिमल लवर्स नहीं है, लेकिन उनके बच्चे भले ही मजाक में डू नॉट ट्रीट दीज स्ट्रेज, और इवन अगर उनके, मैंने तो एक पेट का भी इंसिडेंट वैसा सुना है कि इवन किड्स, आई मीन दे, I don't know whether to blame the upbringing, but how important, of course, it is important for parents also, to consider this topic and teach children to be empathetic towards every other being. How important is that, Jaya ji? Because आज हम देखते हैं कि ये बच्चे, because उनके parents भी, they are like no concerns, hands down.
I have this experience to share in my own area. Okay. There was a small child come back from school. School bag was on the shoulder. 3-4 children together, and the mummies were sitting and obviously gossiping.
Yeah.
And this child picked up a small stone and threw it at the indie dog in my area. Indie dog, indigenous Indian breed dogs, just as Indian as you, me, and so many more. Okay. And he picked up another stone. The mummy just looked. The child picked up another stone and threw it again. Me Mera beta, mera beta, mera. I was like, excuse me? Then I couldn't take it anymore. I couldn't keep shut anymore. I said, excuse me, आप कर क्या रही हैं? What are you doing?
Yeah.
Today, this child is hitting a dog, and you're saying, "Wow, wow, my lovely son hitting a creature who can't even say that this boy is hitting me,"
Hmm.
and you are applauding the child. Tomorrow, the child will hit somebody at school. Then too, you will say, "My son is very strong. He is hitting another child. Brilliant." Later, he'll grow up. He'll hit a bigger boy who will maybe hit back. Then you go and fight his case for him. All right? And it will go on. You please keep on taking his side like you are taking now. And then one day will dawn. That day will surely come when he will hit you. Because you didn't stop him now. Then please do not cry and tell anybody that your child is hitting you. Because
Right.
it is you who is responsible for this behavior that has been inculcated in him.
Correct.
So either stop him now, tell him that no, it is not right to hurt anyone, or be ready to be hurt tomorrow.
True. Very true.
And that is true, you know. Why have we learned कि झूठ बोलना पाप है, नदी किनारे सांप है? Remember all of those as child?
Yeah.
It is wrong to steal. It is wrong to tell lies. It is wrong to hit anybody, right? Since childhood, we are taught all of that, right?
Correct.
So why is it not important to teach that it is wrong to hurt an animal? And when a child steals and the parents get to know about it, is the child not punished? Today, if you don't punish, tomorrow, the same thing will be done. Day after, that same person will become more stronger because they will feel that whatever they are doing is
They
the
feel
right thing.
superior also in many ways that way.
Superior, yes. And they will go on to hurt other beings who might be close to you.
Yeah.
What about children? What about senior citizens?
They too. Yeah.
And then moving on to raping girls. Where do you think this mentality comes in from?
Yeah.
Slowly, steadily, everything is growing, na? You know, 51AG of the Indian Constitution, it clearly states that as Indian citizens, it's our duty to look after our environment, which includes lakes, ponds, trees, birds, animals, right?
Yeah.
You know what? I got to know about this a couple of years ago. I had no idea. Why aren't we taught all of these things in school
Cool.
from day one? You see?
Yeah.
Okay. See, don't teach in school. Why aren't parents taught so that they can tell the children about it? You know, I have been harping about saving RA Milk Colony since many years. And a lot of my educated, knowledgeable friends did not come and stand beside me, or us for that matter.
Okay.
Today, when I see those same people putting up messages to save the forest, I'm like, when I had asked you to join me some 3 years, 4 years ago, had you come and stood up beside us we would have been in stronger numbers. Well, better late than never, but still, why are we afraid to voice out, to raise our voices for what is right? There are so many people, you know, we got some 10,000 petitions signed,
Hmm.
as in papers signed,
Yeah.
objections signed by people. And we were so disheartened to know that people had written wrong addresses, wrong phone numbers, wrong email IDs. Out of 10,000 of those letters, only 600 informations were correct.
Oh my God.
And when the letters came to our places, SMSs came, people
Yeah.
were so scared. If the government has sent a letter to us, what do we do? I was like, the government has sent a letter asking to come and tell them exactly why do you object. What is there to fear in that? What is there to fear in that? You have an opinion. You are not fighting anybody. You are letting everybody know, okay, listen, I think this is not right.
Correct.
And I would like you not to do something like this.
Hmm.
I am not liking this. Da, 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 da. That's not what we are doing, no?
वो नहीं करना.
We are
Yeah.
educated people. We understand. And we would like you to understand. And do whatever is important for in the name of development. But please do it wisely, such that everybody is benefited, even this Mother Earth. What's there to fear? I went along with my friend. Not even 100 people came. It was such a joke. And today you cry about all these people, all these. What do you think all these natural calamities are
Yeah.
happening for? Mother Earth is saying, enough, dudes. Enough. Can you guys stop somewhere? Okay, you won't stop. I'll make you stop.
Jayaji, COVID-19 has also been a testing time, a learning experience. Yet there are a few, I don't know how to term them, but still they don't learn. I mean, with the cases of abandoned pets and much more, even if you're trying to be sensitive, somebody is trying to do something good. If you are not in your capacity to help, at least don't make it worse for that person. But a few of them and all of these, even after COVID-19, are such a big devastating experience.
People have not learned in any manner. Any which manner they have not learned. There are still people who are crowding each other, not maintaining social distancing. There are still people who are moving around without masks.
Yeah.
You see, it's a democratic country. We can do just about anything. That is the mentality. They have not worked towards achieving this freedom, na? They don't value it. They don't value it. It's so harrowing. I have been picking up and taking so many accident cases for treatment. So many of the animals that I rescued died.
Yeah.
In the empty roads during lockdown period,
Yeah.
people were coming out with their bikes and cars and zooming. They were driving like maniacs. As if आज का दिन है, आज जी लो, कल तो पता नहीं हम होंगे या ना होंगे. I don't like saying wrong things, bad things. I really don't like it. But Do we really require such insensitive people on the face of this earth? People are seeing that they have run over an animal, but they don't care.
They wouldn't stop rather to help or find help or get some medical help or anything.
जानवर ही तो है, तो क्या हुआ, जानवर ही तो है. This Independence Day, I am calling out to all Indians. Please and please, हाथ जोड़कर करबद्ध निवेदन करते हैं हम. मेहरबानी करिए, इस देश के बारे में, इस देश के हित के बारे में सोचिए, कुछ करिए, कदम उठाइए. इस देश के जानवर भी हमारे देश के ही हैं. वोट नहीं दे पाते हैं तो क्या हुआ, है तो इसी धरती की उपज, और हम और आप सब के सब इसी धरती में वापस जाएंगे. ओके, सेम धरती में वापस जाएंगे. ओके, यही सड़कें खत्म होंगे हम. आप जो लोग जलने वाले हैं, उनका राख भी इसी धरती में जाने वाला है. तो इतने भेदभाव क्रिएट मत करिए. ओके, किसी की मदद नहीं कर सकते हैं तो किसी को तकलीफ तो मत दीजिए. मोहब्बत नहीं कर सकते हैं तो नफरत तो मत कीजिए. ऑल्सो I request to the parliament, to our leaders in this country, whoever has gone away from their seats and whoever is there today on the seats, whoever is going to come tomorrow on the seats, I request that the animal laws require the utmost urgentest attention. That 50 rupees penalty clause,
Oh, yeah.
enough of it. Ladies and gentlemen,
You're referring to the hit and run cases with animals and things like that, which is
Everyone.
anything which that which is very minimal.
Everyone, the animal laws require being implemented at the earliest. Please give it your attention. I am sure as soon as this law is implemented, bigger fines, bigger and actual punishments are meted out. I am sure the crime rate in total in this country is going to go down.
Yes.
Believe me, please do give it your attention. It's high time something was done about that.
True. And a constant upgrade and the need of the hour that we discussed earlier is of necessity. And right here, I think this sums it all up, as you rightly discussed and mentioned with us. Also, Jayaji, change starts from within, right? एक जल्दी से in a rapid way आप 5 ऐसी टिप्स या 5 ऐसे गिव अवेज दे दीजिए कि ये हम खुद से कर सकते हैं, किसी की जरूरत नहीं है आपको, इतना तो एज इंडिविजुअल आप कर ही सकते हैं. व्हाट आर दोस 5 थिंग्स टुवर्ड्स हेल्पिंग?
Okay. Number one, give up one branded coffee or a pizza or anything like that, burger and all that, and feed one animal.
True.
One, you can give up one in a month. Okay. Yeah. 2, please carry save water. Save water. Whatever water you are using to wash the pulses and vegetables with, store it in a bottle. As you go out of the house, either you can put that water in a bowl for animals, if it comes from within, or put that water in a tree that is on the roadside.
Yeah.
That is also very important.
Correct.
Okay. Whenever you see an accident case of any animal or a human, please report it. Please report it. Don't let humans go unhelped. don't let animals go unhelped.
Unhelped.
It will only strengthen you from within that yes, you did something. In your darkest hour, these things will come to your mind and you will feel energized, you will feel whole, you will feel complete. Do it for yourself.
Right.
Do one small thing every day. One good thing every day, no matter how small it is. Just do it without wanting something in return from it. Four ho gaye?
Yes.
Love yourself. Because you are important.
Absolutely.
Instead of looking for love outside of you, love yourself. Because you are important. Okay? And the love of the whole universe will come to you when you love yourself.
Absolutely. What a lovely note. Jayaji, I think we have a couple of more minutes and a final message to give out is that जो भी तरीके से तन मन धन की सेवा अगर आप वैसे ही term करें, rather adopt, foster, sponsor, if nothing, educate. You know, just that word
Yes.
can also matter a lot.
You see, if you can't, I was on that path where I was saying, if you can't keep a pet at home,
Yeah.
you like animals, you love animals, it's okay. If you're an earning member, please share your energy in the form of money with those who feed. COVID times, so many people have lost their jobs. I just started working a couple of days ago. Okay? So energize somebody, monetary help, or just stand by them. Say, okay, you are making the food, I will help distribute it. I found so many young boys wanting to distribute. I share the food, I buy the food and share with them. But then I also have limitations. How much
Correct.
can I buy? Yeah? So do something. Somehow. If you can't, somehow just think of it and connect. Get to know, learn about first aid.
Yes.
How can you administer first aid? Okay? Basic medicines keep with yourself. Like betadine. Any wound we use betadine. The animals use betadine. Yeah, that is the best test. Keep it handy. Call somebody up. There's an animal in distress. We require help. Put it out there on social media. Somebody will have to help you. Okay?
You're asking the universe for it, right? And a lovely note. I think we've covered all the intense topic, Jayaji. I think I have just 1 or 2 minutes more. I'm going to quickly have your opinion on the following things. So can you, it's like a rapid fire thing, and I'm going to ask you, I'm going to tell you, you react to it in one word, okay? The recent rumor that you were dead again.
Who cares?
Rumors. I mean, rumors
Who
in general.
cares?
Who cares? Lovely. What is your take on trolling?
Chuck it.
Okay. Sushant Singh Rajput.
What a loss.
Yes. Quarantine.
And what a harrowing follow on.
Too much. Yes. Quarantine 2020. One word for it.
Seriously? Shall I say? Let it go on. Put the people inside their houses. Lock them up inside the houses for longer. Every year there should be a 1-month quarantine. Let the nature recuperate.
Yes.
मैं तो मतलब ऐसे ऐसे हो जाती हूँ, मैं कुछ ऐसे ऐसे हो जाती हूँ.
रुद्र अवतार बाहर आ रहा है जयाजी का. Well, but what fun you are, Jayaji. But I mean, all your ways are so adorable. And lastly, this segment, what I've named a vision and voice, you know, to let our voice not just be a voice, but make it into an echo that, you know, reciprocates and have its repercussions and consequences that awakens people. One word for it.
Shout.
Okay.
Shout
We
it
have
out at the top of
15 seconds closing thoughts.
of your voice, say stop. Stop.
Stop. And we are going to stop the video also now. So that's 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I love you. Thank you.